How do I get my Ooma back online? Hook. Have you ever looked at your Ooma and wondered, where did my internet go? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're relying on it for important tasks. In this video, we'll dive into the common reasons why your Ooma might go offline and provide step-by-step solutions to get it back up and running. Before we get into the troubleshooting, let's understand a bit about Ooma. It's a VoIP device that replaces traditional landlines, offering features like unlimited calling, voicemail, and even video calls. But like any electronic device, it can encounter issues. So, let's explore some potential culprits. Common reasons for Ooma offline. 1. Power issues. Check the power cord. Ensure it's securely plugged into both the Ooma and the wall outlet. Power surge or outage. If there was a recent power surge or outage, it might have affected your Ooma. Try restarting it. Faulty power adapter. If the power adapter seems damaged or isn't functioning correctly, replace it. 2. Internet connectivity. Router issues. Check if your router is working properly. Try restarting it. Internet service provider, ISP, outage. Verify if your ISP is experiencing any service interruptions. Contact their customer support for more information. Incorrect network settings. Ensure your Ooma is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network and has the correct password. 3. Ooma device issues. Software glitch. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve software glitches. Firmware update. Check if there's a new firmware update available for your Ooma. Updating can address known issues and improve performance. Hardware malfunction. If the above solutions don't work, there might be a hardware issue. Contact Ooma's customer support for assistance. Troubleshooting steps. Now that we know the potential causes, let's go through some troubleshooting steps. Check power and internet. Start by ensuring the power cord is securely plugged in and your internet connection is stable. Restart Ooma and router. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Verify network settings. Make sure your Ooma is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network with the correct password. Check for ISP outage. Contact your ISP's customer support to inquire about any service disruptions. Update firmware. If available, update your Ooma's firmware to the latest version. Contact Ooma support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Ooma's customer support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting advice or arrange for a replacement if necessary. Additional tips. Keep your Ooma clean. Dust can accumulate on the device, affecting its performance. Clean it regularly with a soft, dry cloth. Avoid overheating. Ensure your Ooma is placed in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. Consider a surge protector. Protect your Ooma from power surges by plugging it into a surge protector. Getting your Ooma back online can be frustrating, but with these troubleshooting steps and a bit of patience, you should be able to resolve the issue. Remember to check the basics like power and internet connectivity, and don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma's customer support if needed. Have you encountered any other Ooma-related issues? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.